That's got to be a herring. No? Wow.
Yeah, it's an eagle, huh?
Is it?
Rather big. Or maybe that's a heron.
No. You don't want to do that. Oh, here's one over here. And you like
Like that.
Yeah. Great.
I walked down by the seacoast when the boardwalk was all closed, but I could hear summer laughter down the alleys and the roads. And these days when you talk to me, it's like a place you've been. I don't know where I'm going in the January wind, and the sky's hanging heavy, looks like we're in for snow tonight. My fingers are near frozen, I watch some birds take off in flight, and I wonder where they're going. Looks like they're always heading home. I got the place to myself, it's just salt spraying stone. And I can't change history or what it's done to you and me. No, I can't go back in time to change no one's mind. Can't erase the past or try to bring it back. Well, the snow's starting to stick to the roads and railroad tracks out by the river with those handmade plywood shacks, and guys reading magazines pretending there's fish to catch, all by the light of a Coleman stove, just for a place to call their own. And maybe someone's waiting, maybe someone's not.
Yeah.
Maybe they know what they have, maybe they don't know what they've got. But these days when you talk to me, it's like I'm a place you've been. I don't know where I'm going in the January